This is a Navajo Shamanic exercise. Every morning when you wake up, listen for the first tone that comes to you. Have the intention for asking for your soul's tone. Write down or record the most common tone after 7 days. Work with it. Chant it every day. This is your missing frequency. The first tone that comes to you every moment, every morning when you wake up. This is your missing frequency. This is your soul's tone. So start singing the way you feel in the morning. Listen to your own sound. Get into your emotional body as soon as possible when you wake up to share in its wisdom before any mental projection or thought forms can envelope or bury your sound. Listen to it with no judgment, no blame, no thought. Just listen to the energy of the sound of your emotional body. What is it saying to you? What does it want you to hear? Get up every morning and sing the first tone that comes to mind. That is your resonant frequency, your true song, your soul song. After just a week of singing your own tone or meditative toning, so you can either sing it or do it as a chant, you can shift old thought patterns, belief systems, and even old memories. Toxins and other blockages that have been locked in your cells are released by the vibrations of your tone. This has the blueprint of your soul, and your cells will begin to resonate at their optimum frequency, because this is your missing frequency. And as you bring it into your body, you replace all the frequencies within you so that you're vibrating at your optimum frequency. Literally, you tune into yourself. This is an amazing practice and one I highly recommend you take up and do every day.